I am really excited to make this one along with you. First, let me show you what we are going to make today. Can you see? This is a star-shaped pen stand. I have made it very colorful. This will also help you build your arithmetic skills, some of the other mathematics skills as well, of how to create a star shape, of how to create triangles, how to use the measurement skill, and there will be some different skills involved. Also, before we start, I want you to know that at the end of the activity, there will be an announcement for some exciting prizes, both for you and for your school. So please make sure you watch the video till the end. So let us start our activity. For today's activity, you will need a pen, a pencil, a scale or a ruler, a pair of scissors, one Fevi-stick or any form of glue that you have, Fevicol, and some color papers. So let us now start the activity. First we will take a colored paper. We'll take it from the side. Take a pen or a pencil, whatever you have. Roll it from the sides till the middle of the paper. Make sure you're rolling it tightly. Then open the paper, remove the pen, and then now roll the paper like this till the very end. And after rolling it till the end, we will use a Fevicol or a Fevi-stick to stick the paper at the end like shown. Now we will take some Fevicol, put it on the sides of the paper, and then roll it, and then we will let it dry. Let the excess Fevicol dry it out. So we have created one entire roll. Similarly, we can take more color papers and create more such rolls like I have created here. You need to create 6 to 8 rolls, or if you want a higher one, you can create 10 such rolls. You can use different colors. If you want, you can use 2 colors. If you have only one color, that is also okay. Make sure if you want to make it colorful, you can use other color paints or anything to color your papers as well. Now students, take the ruler and take one of the roll using a pencil or a pen. Using a pencil or a pen, first take the thinner side of the roll, the one which is smaller or the thinner, and let the bigger or the thicker side be on the other side. Now measure 1.5 from the thinner side, 1.5 centimeter, like I am measuring. You can also put a mark on it like this. Then from 1.5, now we have to cut out 9 centimeters for each. So if we take the table of 9, so 9 ones are 9, so we'll put the first mark on 9. The next one would be 9 twos are 18, and 9 threes are 27. So the last mark will be at 27 centimeter, right? Now using the scissor, we will cut out the 27 centimeter mark on this side. Right? And now we will fold from each marked part, and we would make a triangular shape like this. I have folded it on the measurement marks, as you can see, right? Now this 1.5 centimeter, we'll use it at the end For now, we need to start folding it into a triangular shape like this. Then we do it like this, and then we take the 1.5 centimeter ends and we put it inside the circle, and then we put it inside the open-ended circle here, the open-ended shape here. And post that, if you want to keep it intact, you can use either a sellotape or a Fevicol or a Fevistick, whichever holds it tighter. I will be using a Fevicol for now. I have put this inside intact, and now this is done. The same process needs to be followed with the other rolls. I have folded all of them into triangles like this, as you can see, and I have closed them from here, and it should be very tight and intact. Make sure that it is not coming out. If needed, please use Fevicol or Fevikwik or Fevistick, whichever you have available at your home. Now we will move to the next process. Students, we will take another fresh paper. We will take any of the triangles that we have created. We will place it on the edges. We'll draw the lines on the sides. After drawing the lines, we will take the scissors and cut it through the lines. This is the cutout piece. Now we will place our triangles and stick it to the edges. I have already prepared one, so I have stuck this piece. As you can see, I have used glue. Now take the second piece, place it on the top, mark the places where it is touching the bottom triangle so that we know where we have to put the Fevicol. I have marked it from the insides, from all the sides. Now when I remove it, I can see that all the markings are here. Now I will take the Fevicol and I'll put it on the outsides. Now we will place the triangle on top of it as per our measurement. And we will let it dry. Similarly, we'll place the other ones on top. Using the glue, we will stick all of them one by one. So as you can see, I have placed one on top of the other. I have applied Fevicol to stick them. It is visible. I will now let it dry. I have created 6 layers. You can create more such layers. You can see it from all the sides. Right? And this is the top and this is the bottom. And once it's dried, then it can be used to hold pen, pencil, or anything that you want to keep it inside as a holder. A big thank you to all of those who participated along with me. You can access this